In today's video, I'm going to teach you Canva Squarespace tutorial. How to use Canva for Squarespace website. We're going to take a design from Canva and embed it directly on a Squarespace page so it appears seamlessly on your site. You'll need your Squarespace website open and a Canva account. I'll walk you through each click and share a few practical tips along the way. Start in Squarespace. Open your site, go to Pages, and select the page where you want the Canva design to appear. Enter Edit so you can modify the content on that page. Navigate to the exact spot where you want the design, then add a new block. In the block picker, use the search bar to find the embed block and insert it. Don't worry if you see a space for a link right now. We'll add the actual embed code after we get it from Canva. Switch over to Canva. Open the Templates page and browse or search for a template that matches your brand or layout needs. On the Templates preview, click Share. Then choose Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Once the design is open in the editor, click Share again at the top right. From the sharing options, select Embed. Canva will generate an embed code for you. Click Copy to copy that code to your clipboard. This code is what allows Squarespace to display the live Canva design on your page. Return to Squarespace. Open the Embed block's settings and toggle to the mode that accepts code. This may be labeled Code Snippet or Embed Data, depending on your version. Click into the input area, paste the Canva embed code, and confirm by clicking Embed or Apply. You should see a preview of your Canva design load directly inside the block. If you only see a URL or a blank space, double-check that you're in the code mode rather than the URL mode, then paste again. With the embed visible, open the block's design or display settings. Choose a simple style. Text is a clean option, so the embed displays without extra framing or card styling. Adjust alignment and spacing as needed to fit your layout, and make sure it sits well with the surrounding content. When everything looks good, save your changes at the top of the Squarespace editor to publish the page. A few quick tips. If the design appears too narrow or clipped, update the dimensions from the Canva embed settings or set width to 100% for a responsive fit. Always preview on mobile, since embedded content can scale differently. And remember, edits you make later in Canva will automatically update on your Squarespace page. That's it. Your Canva design is now embedded in Squarespace.